Good morning, students. How are you? So, students, today let us solve problems on trigonometry, as it is our second assignment. In the second assignment, the topics are trigonometry, complex numbers, and quadratic equations. Already I have prepared one assignment for this, and which has been sent to you through our WhatsApp groups. So, just from those questions, from those assignment questions, I'll solve a few of them. Let's have a look at the first question. Okay, so a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? So a wheel makes 360 revolutions. Revolution means one round. Okay, it makes 360 revolutions. It covers 360 rounds in 1 minute. So through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? That's the question. Okay. So look here, they have given 360 revolutions in 1 minute. That means in 60 seconds, it makes 360 revolutions. And that means in 1 second, how many revolutions does it make? So for that, what we should do, 360 divided by 60. That means 6 revolutions. Okay. So in 1 second, that wheel makes 6 revolutions. Now the question is, through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay. In one revolution, that means in one full cycle, it makes an angle of 2 pi radians. Therefore, in 6 revolutions, the angle covered is 6 into 2 pi, which is equal to 12 pi radians, which is the second option. Okay, 12 pi radians. Okay, let's go to the next question. The second question: a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter is cut and bent so as to lie along the circumference of a hoop whose radius is 48 centimeter. Then the angle in degrees, which is subtended at the center of the hoop, is. Okay. So a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter. Okay. Let us say this is a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter. Right. Now, this circular wire is cut. It is cut and bent so as to lie along the circumference of a hoop. So this is cut and bent. This is cut and bent in this way, so that this, okay. So this wire is cut and bent so as to lie along the circumference of a hoop. So this is the circumference of a hoop. Now its length. See, this wire is a circular wire of radius 3 centimeter that is cut and bent in this way. Okay. So that means now this length will actually be the circumference of this circle. Circumference formula, 2 pi r. Here r is 3. So 2 pi into 3, which is 6 pi. That will be the length of this arc. It becomes an arc here. It lies along the circumference of a hoop, whose radius is 48 centimeter. Okay. So there is a center here, center of the hoop. Okay. And this is the radius. Okay. This angle is theta. This radius is 48 centimeter. They have already given. So this length will be arc length L. This R is 48 centimeter. Angle is theta. So you know the formula. L is equal to R theta. In this case, L is 6 pi. Arc length R radius is 48. Theta we have to find out. 6 pi by 48, which is equal to pi by 8. Now the question is find the angle in degrees. So convert this radians into degrees. As you know, pi by 4 radians is 45 degrees. This is pi by 8, which is half of that. 45 divided by 2. So that will be 22.5 degrees. Okay. So then so 22.5, which means the third option is the right answer. Let's go to the next question now. Question number 3. 3 into sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is equal to. Okay. So students, for this problem, for such type of problems, what we do is we'll make a substitution. Put some value for x, either x equal to 0 or x equal to 90 degree, whatever you prefer, you substitute 30 degree, 45 degree, anything. So I prefer 0 because it is easy to simplify. Put x equal to 0. So as soon as I put x equal to 0, all those terms containing sin x will be 0, and all those things where there is cos x, so that will become 1, as cos 0 is 1. So I am putting x equal to 0 here. So we get 3 into 0 minus 1 whole power 4 plus 6 into sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1 whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x. 0 power 6 is 0 only. Cos power 6x. Cos 0 is 1. 1 power 6 is 187. Okay. So this is minus 1 whole power 4, which is 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Plus here 1 square is 1. 6 into 1 is 6. Plus 4 into 1 is 4. Add them. The sum is equal to 13, which is the fourth option. Okay. Then question number 5. Cos square 1 degree plus cos square 2 degree plus cos square 3 degree, etc. till cos square 90 degree. Okay. So now in this case, the last term is cos square 90 degree, which is equal to 0. You know, cos 90 is 0. So cos square 90 degree is also 0. So then let me write the remaining terms. So now there are 89 terms, starting from cos square 1 degree to cos square 89 degree, because cos square 90 is 0. So cos square 1 degree plus cos square 2 degree, etc. till cos square 44 degree plus cos square 45 degree plus the remaining terms I'll write here. Cos square 46 degree plus cos square 47 degree and so on till cos square 89 degree plus the cos square 90 degree, which will be equal to 0. Okay. So here now this cos square 1 degree I'll keep it as it is. Cos square 2 degree also as it is till cos square 44 degree. This is cos square 3 degree and so on till cos square 44 degree. I'll keep it as it is. Plus cos square 45 degree. Cos 45, it's a standard angle 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So cos square 45 is 1 by 2. That you know. Plus this cos square 46 is there now. What I do is I will write cos theta as sin 90 minus theta. You know this formula. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So what I'm going to do here is cos 46 degree can be written as sin 90 minus 46. Sin 90 minus 46 is nothing but sin 44. So this will become sin square 44 degree. Similarly, 47 degree, cos 47 can be written as sin 90 minus 47. That means sin 90 minus 47, which is equal to sin 43 degree. This will become sin square 43 degree and so on. The last term cos square 89 degree will now become sin square 1 degree. Cos 89 can be written as sin 90 minus 1, which is equal to sin 1. Okay. Now that's equal to, now you say there is cos square 1 degree plus sin square 1 degree. I'll write that 1 plus. Here cos square 2 degree is there. Just before this, the previous term would be sin square 2 degree. That sum is 1. Cos square 3 degree plus here previous term is sin square 3 degree. That is 1. Here cos square 44 is there. Just before this, there will be cos square 43 degree. That cos square 43 plus this sin square 43 together, it will give you 1. Okay. And cos square, okay, so on here in between. Okay. Finally, cos square 43, 4, 5, 6, etc. Cos square 44 plus sin square 44, that is 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay. See, all together there are 89 terms. In that cos square 45 I have separated. Other than that, 88 terms are there. Okay. So if I group them, cos square 1 with sin square 1, cos square 2 with sin square 2, cos square 3 with sin square 3, in that way, there are 44 groups or 44 pairs, should I say. So that each of those pairs will be equal to, sum of each of those pairs is 1. So 1, 1, 1, 44 times. 44 times plus this 1 by 2. So that will be equal to 44 plus 1 by 44.5. In other words, 89 by 2 is the answer. 89 by 2, which is the fourth option. Okay, then look at question number 8 now. If sin theta and cos theta are the roots of px square plus qx plus r is equal to 0, then q square minus p square is equal to, sin theta and cos theta are the roots of this quadratic equation they are given. Okay. So first I'll find the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots is given by minus b by a, that formula, sin theta plus cos theta, sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. That means minus q by p. Then I'll find product of the roots. Product of the roots, alpha into beta, or in this case, sin theta into cos theta, is equal to c by a, which means r divided by p. Okay. Now, sum of the roots is minus b by a, product of the roots is c by a. That formula I'm using here. Square this equation. Squaring this, I'm going to get sine square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta. That's equal to, here we are going to get q square divided by p square. When I square this, I'm going to get q square by p square. So now sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 into sine theta cos theta. From this equation, we can write sine theta cos theta as r by p. So this will become 2r by p. That's equal to q square divided by p square. Okay. Now this will imply, I'll multiply this equation by p square. Let me multiply by p square. We are going to get p square plus, here p, if I cancel, multiply by p square, we'll cancel one of those p, other p will remain. P square plus 2rp is equal to q square. Well, what we are asked to calculate, see here in the question, they have asked us to find out what is q square minus p square. So q square minus p square, bring this p square to RHS. So we are going to get q square minus p square is equal to 2rp. 2rp, which is the fourth option. Okay, then next question. If tan a plus cot a is 2, then the value of tan power 4a plus cot power 4a is. Tan a plus cot a is 2. I'll square this equation. Tan a plus cot a is 2. I'll square that equation. I'm going to get tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 tan a cot a. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is equal to 4. On RHS, we have 2. Its square is 4. Okay, now tan square a, I'll keep it as it is, plus cot square a. Tan a into cot a will be equal to 1 because cot a and tan a, they're the reciprocals of each other. So plus 2 into 1, 2 is equal to 4. Take this to RHS. That will give you tan square a plus cot square a is equal to 2. 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Now square this equation again. Squaring this again, we will get tan power 4a plus cot power 4a plus 2 tan square a into cot square a is equal to 2 square, it will be 4. Okay. Again, I'm squaring this equation, a plus b, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So now tan power 4a plus cot power 4a plus, again here tan square a into cot square a. This cot square a can be written as 1 by tan square a. That tan square a gets cancelled. So I'll have 2 here equal to 4. This 2 will go to that side. So you have tan power 4a plus cot power 4a is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. That is the fourth option. Okay. Let's have a look at 13th question now. 1 by sine 10 degree minus root 3 divided by cos 10 degree is equal to how much? Okay. So this we need to solve now. I'll take LCM here. LCM is sine 10 degree into cos 10 degree. Okay. So then what happens in the numerator? Numerator will be cos 10 degree minus root 3 into sine 10 degree. Okay, I'm taking LCM, sine 10 cos 10. Then this is what we are going to get out. Now in the numerator, I'll divide by 2. Okay. So I'll divide by 2. When I want to divide by 2, I have to multiply by 2 also. I'm multiplying and dividing by 2. Okay. So when I multiply and divide by 2, we are going to get 2 into 1 by 2 cos 10 degree minus root 3 by 2 sine 10 degree. Here, sine 10 cos 10 is there. Na? I want to have 2 why do I want 2 is because sin theta cos theta is there. If I have 2, then it will become 2 sin theta cos theta, for which we have a formula. So 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. Now I have multiplied by 2 here, then to compensate it, I have to divide by 2. Okay, so now this 2 will go up, 2 into 2, it will become 4 into this 1 by 2 is there now. I'll write 1 by 2 as sin 30 degree. As you know, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So I'm writing 1 by 2 as sin 30 degree. Okay. Into cos 10 is there already minus this root 3 by 2. I'll write root 3 by 2 as cos 30 degree into sin 10 degree. Divided by this 2 we have already taken up. Now 2 sin 10 cos 10, it's 2 sin theta cos theta, that is equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 10 degree, it will become sin 20 degree. That's equal to 4. Now look here, sin 30, okay, sorry. Sin 30 degree into cos 10 degree minus cos 30 degree into sin 10 degree. It's of the form sin A cos B minus cos A sin. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, that's equal to sin A minus B. Sin A minus B means in this case sin 30 minus 10, which is sin 20 degree, divided by sin 20 degree. So the sin 20 degree gets cancelled. 4 is cancelled. First option is the correct answer. Now here you may get one doubt. That is, why do we divide by 2 only? In the denominator, I think, okay, you can understand sin theta cos theta is there. I want to have 2 sin theta cos theta because there is a formula for that, sin 2 theta. In the numerator here, why did we divide by 2 only? That doubt may arise in your mind. Let me clarify that. So whenever you have something of this form, a cos x plus b sin x plus or minus b, no problem. Or if it is reversed also, no issues, a sin x plus b cos x. Then in order to simplify, what we need to do is you should divide by root of a square plus b square. Divide by root a square plus b square. Here a is 1, b is minus root 3. So a square plus b square would be 1 plus 3, 4, root of that is 2. So I have divided by 2. Keep that in mind. Okay. Then here, cos alpha if, 15th question now, if cos alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5 and sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13 and alpha is in between 0 and alpha is in between 0 and pi by 4. Actually here beta is also in between 0 and pi by 4. Okay, that is missing just right now. Alpha and beta both are in between 0 and pi by 4. Then the value of tan 2 alpha. See, when alpha and beta both are in between pi by 0 and pi by 4, alpha plus beta cannot be more than 90 degree. Alpha plus beta must be in between 0 and 90 only. So alpha plus beta is in first quadrant. And then alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta, see, both are in between pi by 4. Alpha minus beta is either in first quadrant or in second quadrant because it may be negative also. But here they have given, sorry, not second quadrant, fourth quadrant, may be negative also. If alpha is less than beta, then alpha minus beta will be negative. But here you observe, they have given sin alpha minus beta is equal to 5 by 13. 5 by 13 is positive. So alpha minus beta cannot be in fourth quadrant. If it is in fourth quadrant, then sin would have been negative. Okay, whereas now they have given that it is positive. Therefore, you must understand that alpha plus beta as well as alpha minus beta both are in the first quadrant. Both are in the first quadrant. Okay. So now let me consider one right angle triangle. Okay. Now let this angle be alpha plus beta. Okay, I'll call this angle as alpha plus beta. Given cos alpha plus beta is equal to 4 by 5. As you know, cos theta is defined as adjacent by hypotenuse. So this will become 4. This will be 5 adjacent by hypotenuse. So then automatically this will be 3. Okay. So now from that triangle, I can write tan alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. we need tan 2 alpha. I'll come to that afterwards. So now let me just find out what is tan alpha plus beta and tan alpha minus beta. Let me draw another right angle triangle. Okay. So where I'll call this angle as alpha minus beta. Okay, I'll call this angle as alpha minus beta. Sin alpha minus beta is defined as 5 by 30. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So 5 by 30. When opposite side is 5 and the hypotenuse is 13, obviously the adjacent side will be 12. So then I'll find out what is tan alpha minus beta. It has to be positive only because already we know that alpha plus beta as well as alpha minus beta are in the first quadrant. So tan alpha minus beta will be equal to 5 divided by 12. Okay. So now coming to what we need tan 2 alpha, right? This 2 alpha, tan 2 alpha, I'll write this as alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. Tan 2 alpha we want to find out. I'm writing tan 2 alpha as tan of alpha plus beta plus alpha minus beta. So it looks like tan of A plus B. Tan A plus B, you know the formula. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So tan A means tan alpha plus beta plus tan B means tan alpha minus beta divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. That means 1 minus tan A. A means alpha plus beta now into tan B. That is alpha minus beta. Okay. Now let me substitute all these values. This is equal to tan alpha plus beta is 3 by 4 plus alpha minus beta 5 by 12 divided by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 12. That's equal to, take LCM 48. I will take, though the LCM is 12 because simplification would be easy. Here we can directly cancel that 48. So 4 12s are 12 into 3, 36 plus 12 4s are 4 into 5, 20 divided by here 48 is LCM 48 minus 15. 48 gets cancelled. 36 plus 20 gives you 56 divided by 48 minus 15, which is equal to 33. So the answer is 56 by 33, which is the first option. So now let's go to the next question, 16th question. If x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square, and tan alpha equal to xy by zr, tan beta equal to yz by xr, tan gamma is equal to zx by gamma r, then alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to. So here the actual method is somewhat lengthy. We'll have to find out what is tan alpha plus beta plus gamma. So instead of that, what I will do is I'll make some substitution. I will put x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to 1. I'll take each of them as 1. I cannot take 0. So usually I prefer 0. Now I cannot take 0 because look at the denominator there. There is x, y, z in the denominator. They will become 0. So that means this tan alpha, tan beta, tan gamma will not be defined at that point. So I'll take x, y, z, each of them equal to 1. Okay. So then what will happen to r square? R square is x square plus y square plus z square. So r square is equal to 3. R I'll take it as root 3. Okay. Plus or minus root 3. And I'll prefer root 3. Okay. So then here what happens to tan alpha? I have taken x, y, z as 1, 1, 1 and r as r will become root 3. So this will give you tan alpha is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, tan beta is also equal to 1 by root 3. Tan gamma is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan alpha is 1 by root 3, tan beta is 1 by root 3, tan gamma is 1 by root 3, which means alpha is equal to 5 by 6, beta is also equal to 5 by 6, and gamma will also be equal to 5 by 6.